Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty and Bank Nifty both had a successful trading session, especially for Nifty, which has been reeling the pressure for the last few sessions and also underperforming the world markets. Bank Nifty has been very volatile. Nevertheless, yesterday it witnessed almost 1,000 points upside, whereas Nifty closed almost 150 points gain towards the end of trading session. With this, Nifty has tried to attempt crossing the upper band of the range it has been trading in for the last 7-8 trading sessions, which comes around 23,400 spot. And once this is taken out, once this is crossed and sustained, Nifty and head towards 23,600 to 700 levels. There are many interesting things ahead, which we'll discuss in some time. First, US markets yesterday were closed. However, with Trump coming into the power, there are many policies, there are many discussions which he has made, and that seems to have impacted positively. If you look at the dollar index, it's fallen swiftly from almost 109.5, 109.6 to 108, which in turn is likely to give a boost to the equity markets. And this is reflected in GIFT Nifty as well, which is pointing towards 140 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a gap up note. And as I said, once we sustain 23,400, we may see some more upsides going forward. FIs yesterday sold around 4,300 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around similar kind of proportion, 4,300 crores in cash. So this is a little bit perplexing that FIs, the numbers are not diminishing. 4,000 crores every day, it's a substantial number. So one will have to keep that in check. But for now, things are looking good. As we discussed earlier, there are multiple points which are interesting. One, once it sustains 23,400, as we discussed earlier, we will see a range breakout sort of coming in. On the other hand, Nifty has been trading in a triangle pattern, something which you had shown in the weekly report. And a close about 23,700 will result in a breakout of this triangle pattern, which can push it towards 24,000 levels. Whether we have made a bottom, it's something that cannot be answered at this point in time, because the correction in index as well as the global level is still pending. Whether you talk about European markets or US markets, both are trading within the striking distance of lifetime high, especially UK markets, which are trading at lifetime high. So some amount of profit booking correction has to be seen on the global scale as well, and that can put pressure in the Nifty index. But for now, there are multiple trigger points. What more policies does Trump come out with? One. Second, we have another major event, which is the union budget. So how Nifty pans out post that will also be interesting. So for now, it looks as if Nifty will sustain, and we may see a decent part of the remaining month of January, and then we'll have some cues. For traders who have bought earlier, keep riding it, keep trailing stop losses. For fresh entry, one should avoid. Let it sustain and break the triangle pattern, then one can take a trade. That's all from my side. Thank you.
The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.